I'm reading a book in Urbana, Little Trucks with Big Jobs by Robert Maass. Little Trucks with Big Jobs by Robert Maass. Plain tug. Big trucks have big jobs moving everything imaginable across town and country. But there are smaller trucks that also have big jobs. An airplane must be pushed out from the gate before starting its engine. This is done by a truck called a plain tug. Street sweeper. City streets are kept clean by the swirling brooms of a street sweeper. Telephone truck. Sometimes extra payphones are needed at an outdoor event or when telephone service is interrupted. A telephone truck provides a connection. Garbage truck. A big garbage truck takes away household garbage, while a smaller garbage truck can fit in tight spots like the winding sidewalks of a park. Forklift. A forklift can lift a heavy load many times its weight. It is often used to unload bigger trucks. Zamboni. When the ice rink needs smoothing, bring in a Zamboni. Cable truck. How do you get telephone, cable, and internet service? A cable truck lays the wires underground that will make the connections. Pickup truck. A pickup truck can do so many things, from hauling materials in its bed to pulling big loads behind. Mail truck. Whether you live in town or in the country, the mail truck keeps you in touch with the world. Ambulance. No truck is more important than an ambulance. This truck transports people who need medical care to a hospital. Produce truck. A produce truck brings fresh fruits and vegetables to the neighborhood. Camper. Some folks camp in tents while others use a camper truck where they can feel at home on the road. Tow truck. When a car breaks down or has an accident, it is hauled away by a powerful tow truck. Glass truck. A glass truck carries all sizes of glass tightly tied to special holders so the glass won't break on the way to its destination. Ice cream truck. Nothing could be more welcoming than the ringing bells of an ice cream truck on a hot summer evening. The end. Yay!